Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you this really awesome music video effect where you can step out of the anamorphic bars. This effect is really awesome because it means that your character is able to break the fourth wall, step out of the video, and this is going to create a really awesome effect. Once we're inside of Adobe After Effects and we've imported our footage and created a new composition, we just want to start by duplicating this layer. Now from here, you just want to go across this bottom bar and you want to add this proportional grid overlay to your video. Now you want to create a new solid by going up to Layer, New Solid, changing this to black, and then we want to go up to the rectangle mask tool and draw a rectangle in the center of your frame. Now, once you're happy with that, you want to go into the mask and press inverted, and we're just going to padlock that, and this is going to be our anamorphic bar. So now we can turn off the proportional grid and we can change this magnifying up to fit. And now from here, we just want to go back into the black video very quickly and pull this down to around 10%. This means that we're going to be able to see ourselves under the layer, and this means we know what we're going to be able to mask around. So from here, on this top video layer, we want to go into the pencil and we want to draw a mask around the part of yourself that's underneath that black video. Now from here, you want to go into mask and you want to create a brand new keyframe on mask path. Now scrolling across, you want to keep updating the keyframes as the video progresses, making sure that your mask is covering yourself underneath this black video layer. And then you want to do this throughout the entirety of the video. So now once you've completed that, we can now drag that top video layer on top of the black solid, pull the black solid back up to 100% and just padlock that one more time. Now, as you can see, that's a little bit bumpy around my hair, so I'm just going to go back into the mask on the top video layer, and we're just going to pull the feather up a touch. And now if we scrub through this again one more time, as you can see, that's me popping out of the anamorphic bar. This is actually a really simple effect. It's really awesome, and if you're really creative about your use of this effect, then you can create some incredible videos with this. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.